Hi, in this video I am trying to create a model to use in my future pattern making projects. So why not? This is a basic face shape which I am starting with, and it's my first try doing something like this. I have no idea how to do this, but I'm giving it a try. And this is the shape of my eye. Copied it into the right and the left. And then now I try to now to try and give it a little bit of a haze. And now to finish with a little bit of hair, not too dramatic, until I learn more.